let us continue with our lesson number first of history, what we were discussing since last 4 videos. So today's will be my 5th video related to lesson number 1 of history. Okay, till now, till our page number 5, we were discussing about finding out about the past के बारे में पता करना. We discussed about manuscript, that is handwritten either on leaves or palms and bark of trees, right? Then we discussed about inscriptions, that is writing on big rocks or on pillars or walls, etc. Okay, so we'll continue this because the same topic we finished up till page number 5. So we will continue with page number 6 now. Archaeologists also look for bones of animals, birds and fish to find out what people ate in the past. Plant remains survive far more rarely. If seeds of grain or pieces of wood have been burnt, they survive in the charred form. Charred form we can tell राख. Okay, like अगर आपने कभी भी वुड को जलते हुए देखा हो तो वुड उसी शेप में ब्लैकिश कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ओके, सो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट जो थे, दोज हु वर डिगिंग, दैट इज धरती को थोड़ा सा खोदना और फिर बीच में से अगर उनको कोई पॉट्स मिलते, ऑर्नामेंट्स मिलते, अलग अलग तरह के यूटेंसिल्स मिलते, जिससे ये पता चलता था कि हाउ पीपल वर लिविंग. ओके, so even archaeologists have found few bones. उनको animals, birds, trees, after all trees भी जब dead bodies होते हैं तो वो भी, okay, human beings, तो उनको अलग अलग bones भी मिले. इनमें से सबसे difficult था trees के बारे में study करना. क्यों? क्योंकि trees जब खत्म हो जाते हैं वो completely राख बन जाते हैं, लाइक मिट्टी बन जाते हैं, या फिर कम्प्लीटली अगर फायर की वजह से जल जाए तो वो कम्प्लीटली राख बन जाते हैं. जबकि ह्यूमन बीइंग्स और एनिमल्स की बात करें तो दे हैव बोन्स इन देयर बॉडी विच नेवर गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू मड. वो मिट्टी में कन्वर्ट नहीं होते. ओके, सो बोन्स को भी स्टडी किया गया. हिस्टोरियंस, दैट इज स्कॉलर्स who study the past, often use the word source to refer to the information found from manuscript, inscription and archaeology. Historians, that is जो history read करते थे, वो ज़्यादातर ये तीनों sources को बहुत deeply observe करते थे. Which 3 sources? Manuscript, inscriptions and archaeology. Understood? Manuscript handwritten, inscriptions writing on walls and pillars, and archaeology we can tell digging up the land and finding out certain material. Okay, then once sources are found, learning about the past become an adventure. As we reconstruct it bit by bit, so historians and archaeologists are like detectives who use all these sources like clues to find out about our past. So जैसे जैसे sources मिलते तो archaeologists या historians जो हैं वो detective की तरह जासूस कैसे काम करते हैं कि अलग अलग events को join करके वो लोग पूरी एक कहानी imagine कर लेते हैं. Okay, so same way historians and archaeologists also collects all the sources together and they also go with one imagination. Understood? Now the next topic is one past or many. एक ही past था कि many. Actually अगर हम अपनी book का title देखें, if we see title of our book, it is written our past. Past is in plural. तो हमारा जो past है वो बहुत है. Okay. Did you notice the title of the book, Our Past? We have used the word past in plural to draw attention to the fact that the past was different from different groups of people. For example, the lives of herders or farmers were different from those of kings and queens. The lives of merchants were different from those of craftsperson, and so on. Also, as it true even today, people follow different practices and customs in different parts of the country. Okay, actually this topic is already done in our last video, but still I am doing the same as we are having one last paragraph left out. Okay, so as the title gives us, past, that is Raja Maharajas की अलग lifestyle, people, common public, poor people, they have different lifestyle. Okay, तो हर एक का अलग अलग पास्ट है, हर एक की डिफरेंट लाइफस्टाइल्स है जो हमें आगे हिस्ट्री बुक में रीड करने को मिलेगा. Then, for example, today most of the people living in Andaman Island get their own food by fishing, hunting and collecting forest produce. By contrast, most people living in cities depend on others for supplies of food. Differences such as these existed in the past as well. यहाँ पर अलग अलग पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, तो वन एग्जाम्पल दे गेव अबाउट पीपल लिविंग इन सिटीज एंड पीपल लिविंग इन आइलैंड ऑफ अंडमान. ओके, वहाँ पर फैसिलिटीज ज़्यादा नहीं है, सो क्या करते थे लोग, दे पीपल यूज टू search food on their own. Whereas if we talk about cities, so people depend upon others like vegetable sellers or certain other sellers come up till our home to give required things, right? So these are the differences जो काफी टाइम से चले आ रहे हैं. Then besides, there is another kind of difference. We know a great deal about kings and the battles they fought, because they kept records of victory. Generally, ordinary people such as hunters, fishing folk, gatherers, farmers or herders did not keep records of what they did. While archaeology helps us to find out about their past, there is much that remains unknown. See, king queens, they used to write events, important events of their life in writing. So we come to know about that, but we don't come to know about the common people lifestyle like farmers, hunters, gatherers, fishing folk, etc. हमें उनकी लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में पता ही नहीं चलता. बट आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट जो अर्थ को डिग करके कुछ एविडेंसेस निकालते हैं धरती में से, ऑर्नामेंट्स, वेपन्स, बोन्स एक्सेट्रा, सो उनसे कुछ ना कुछ हमें आइडिया मिलता है कि व्हाट लाइफस्टाइल दे माइट बी हैविंग. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस लेसन, व्हाट डू डेट मीन्स. डेट्स जो है उनका मतलब क्या है. If somebody asks you the date, you will probably mention the day, month and year, 2000 and something. Okay, आप दिन के बारे में बता दोगे, मंथ के बारे में, ईयर के बारे में. These years are counted from the date generally assigned to the birth of Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity. So 2000 means 2000 years after the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, all dates before the birth of Christ were counted backward and usually have the letter BC before Christ. जीसस से ये जो डेट्स है ना, ये डेट्स में आपने BC एंड AC ज़्यादातर लिखा मिलता है. AC AD. Okay, that is that is after Jesus Christ, and BC that is before Christ. Okay, so BC का जो पीरियड है, BC का जो डेट्स हैं उनको बैकवर्ड काउंट किया जाता था. Now we are living in 2020, so 2020 is considered as 2020 years after Jesus Christ. Understood? After the birth of Jesus Christ, this is 2020th year. Okay? Now, In this book, we will refer to the dates going back from the present using 2000 as our starting point. So, इस book में we are going to talk about dates right from Jesus Christ's birth till now, till 2000. Okay, everyone. So, this was your first lesson. I will give you PDF of question answers which you have to write. Here is some information. You can simply go on reading this information. It is easy only to understand. Okay? I will give you PDF of question answers which you have to do in your notebook. Okay, everyone? Now this video and my next SS video will be the same video, so that I have to give you at least 2 days for writing your notes. Okay, everyone? See that you people get enough time, and please write your notes carefully and with good handwriting in your SS notebook. I hope you all people have written earlier lessons whichever we did in our videos, right? In the same notebook you have to do for history as well. I'll give you PDF. Please note down those question answers in your notebook. Thank you.